Hello everyone, welcome back to the another tutorial on Linux command. In today's video, we are exploring the df command in Linux, a powerful tool for monitoring disk space usage. Whether you are a system administrator managing the server or a developer working on a Linux, understanding this command is essential. The df command stands for disk file system. Let's see the manual page for df command. It used to display the information about the available and used disk space on your mounted file system. Running the command without any options gives you a quick overview. Let's see if I run df command. This gives you a basic information, but let's break it down and explore some option to make this output more useful. By default, the size are displayed in block, which can be hard to interpret. Adding the hyphen H option makes the output human readable by displaying size in KBs, MBs and GBs. Let's add hyphen H option. So here you can see the difference. Let's say you're checking the disk space for a server running on a Rocket Linux and you want to know how much disk space is left on a specific partition. The hyphen H option provides a clear picture. If you are troubleshooting or monitoring a specific file system, you can combine df with the path. For instance, for example, to check a disk space of /home directory /h df-h/home, like this you can check the uh, disk space for /home. This is useful when you are responsible for ensuring that a critical directory like where log or where data or /data does not run out of disk space. Disk space isn't the only resource on your file system. Sometimes you might run out of inodes, which represent the number of files. Use the -i option to check the inode df-i. So here you can see the inode used, inode free. Imagine a web server hosting millions of tiny files. Even if there is enough disk space, you might run out of inodes, causing the issue. This command can help diagnose such problems. To display the information about a specific file system types, use the -t option to show the type or -x option to exclude the types. So here it will show the type. Here you can see XFS, TMP file system, devtemp file system. So it will display the file system types. If you only want to see ext4 file system, you can exclude temporary file system like tmpfs. df-h, I want to exclude tempfs. So it will exclude all the tempfs file system and it will present only /dev, root and boot in my output. This is particularly helpful when working with virtualized environment or Dockerized containerization. To keep an eye on disk space usage over a time, you can pair the df command with watch command for live updates. Like watch df-h. This will continuously monitor for every 2 seconds. This is perfect during the data migration or when downloading the large files, as it always allows you to monitor available disk space in a real time. For scripting purpose, you might want the output in a parsable format. The -p option ensures the output in POSIX complaint format, making it easier to work with scripts. Let's see that example. So this is it. System administrator can use this to automate the disk space monitoring and generate alerts if space falls below a certain threshold. And that's it for today's video on the df command. It's simple yet incredible versatile tool for managing disk space on Linux system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you use df command in your daily workflow. And thanks for watching.